Guys, we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta that we're programming keys to, and we actually thought it was an 80-bit vehicle, which is not. It is actually a 4063 40-bit that's going into the vehicle. So we're actually generating the chip right now using Xhorse. And now that that's been generated, we're going to go to the vehicle and put that chip inside, turn it on, and we will go ahead and add the next key to the car. Insert the key to be learned, and here we go. Let's try it one more time. Learn keys are 5, and we want to make that 6. There we go. Current number is 6. Do we want to learn any other keys? No, we do not. That is all. So now what you want to do is, for programming the remote, we will just go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You hear that noise? Tap the button. And that is a remote program to the car. Again, let's just test it out just to make sure it starts. Here we go. That is one key starts, and that is our second key that we made. And that starts the vehicle as well. 2011 Ford Fiesta. Keys and remotes using the VVDI Xhorse tool and our Im508. Again, like, subscribe, follow for more videos.